In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install cheat menu in Java San Francisco. Check my video description for this cheat menu download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open cheat menu. Simply put the contents of the zip file into the root of the game folder. To do this, right click on the game and select open file location and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Once you're done, start the game. Once you are in game, press the X and up arrow key to open up this cheat menu. Using the up arrow and down arrow to choose option. To select option, press enter. To go back, press the backspace key. Now you can turn on the cheats, vehicle boost. You can turn it on, bloom horn. You can on, vehicle on, infinite ability. You can turn it on. Then to close this menu, press the backspace key. If you want to destroy a vehicle, then you need to press the horn and it will be destroyed. And the cheat is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.